Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to change Instagram picture after posting. So if you want to change the Instagram picture after posting, then you could follow these steps. Now you need to understand that Instagram does not allow you to change the main photo of the post after it has been published. Now, for example, this is the one, this as you can see, this has already been published. If I tap on the three dot icon and go to the edit section, I can make changes with my caption as well as I can change with my location, all that. But there is no way I could go ahead and make changes with my image. However, if you have a multiple post but you want to delete this one, you could click on the bin icon in the left hand side corner of your screen and delete this particular image. And this is the only way you could do it. Otherwise, if you still persist on to it, so then the last alternative, just click on the three dot icon, delete it, and then once again re-upload it with the updated version of the particular image or the picture. And that is the way you could change Instagram picture after posting. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.